When you evaluate bucket strength, you might focus on the cutting edge and bottom. While these are important, much of the bucket strength actually lies here, in the back of the bucket. Think about it. This area constantly has a several thousand-pound machine that pushes, pulls, and pries on it. Without proper design in this area, well, you get the picture. The most critical areas for reinforcement are across this top member and right here on the corners of the quick attach. As you push into a pile, lift materials, or even back drag, these areas are subjected to extreme amounts of force. Bobcat understands this, and our buckets are built strong in the right places. Some of the other brands haven't put nearly as much effort or reinforcement where it's needed. Let's compare some buckets. You can find other buckets at your dealer, on the internet, or from other compact equipment manufacturers. But when you line them up, the differences in quality and strength become clear. Some of these have a double plate design similar to Bobcat buckets, but the second plate is smaller, which distributes load over less area. And some have no extra plating at all, which isn't nearly as strong or durable. The Bobcat design includes this top plate that extends almost the entire width. Then they add a second plate on the lower half. More on that in a moment. In the upper corner of the quick attach, the bucket is subjected to all that force as you dig and lift. Most manufacturers join a weld right here in this high stress spot. Bobcat uses a thick iron casting welded onto the double plate, and it's gusseted out to here, which spreads the stress over a wider area. On the bottom quick attach plate, you also see the big differences in strength. Notice how most of the others weld two steel plates together, creating a seam and a potential weak spot. The Bobcat design is more durable. Instead of those seams, Bobcat bends the quick attach plate with more steel, creating a stronger, more rigid backing from top to bottom. For your next bucket, make sure it's stamped with an authentic Bobcat label, or you might be buying this. Better bucket design is a definite Bobcat advantage.